pesa me kill jandam biansa.
Okay. So you just damn any cafe na pesa what?
I may tear through hona fe.
TV one time enough.
One say MPP for say ni omo ye o man no enye omo mwa yen. Mogari ni na jam kasa. Ombeye one day obi be bokrodo wa ban mu yen na di panafa no ho agi. Because every day say afi obefa check wo mo no na nya no kre enti ama say na angasa no se obi kokoye dream pa hot scandal bia eba bontin kro bia be kasi wo nya no kre all because of MPP for Suban.
Wow.
Once anche anomzi oh Jo Mahamadu Yileviaba. Oh, wa makwaye say omba beje 0.75%. What is careful wallet to mu ko banker. Eh. Anu be yeshi. Not know we say MPP for ankasa. And ma MTN for coin. January 2024. Say omonyesa. I know I said this is the time because the 11 no airba no. That's so much so kakra. This was the time I don't pese. Omude adeno eba. Enti announcement no ba ya ape no busom. Afi adongo ko twen Bank of Ghana. No objection letter or chokoma MTN. So mo charges adeno. Oni bomu ba ko pe. What is obi aka ho asem biom?
No.
Eno ano no. So dancing ya wo hodo mo mu si I can say office of the president budget edama ya can say government machinery Akufo Addo time na ya 300 million yo Mahamadu ko 2.7 billion just one buy you what to akwatua over 300%. Mugabi ye gina yenim say ye ba Fourth Republic en sheshe o ho ne say aban wo ba salary a e wo ho for ministers ne adayi no sa salary no obi abeje 4 years no kwawie ya na president na set committee no mo ahwe mo salary structure no mo aye enti eba outer na ko parliament na parliament ajatum parliamentarians no so no be ko president o na president so so ayeden ajatum na je say omotua sa no mo aye na up to now na President Akufo Addo once at the first term was setting up a committee ano mo yeye ano otuaye what can say President Krakas or no dear crowd or the acha o man no so okay na MPP for and the former President Mahamadu so fane de enche wo wie na adwuma ya adaja was set a committee ano mo ye bibia the committee no e de buy and a parliament a passing the last sitting and so more dissolve the 8th parliament you know and omo pass say this is a eti so omo passing is a we are na fe structure no ebia nkese say woji 30,000 and I say no new one akọ 40,000 difference of 10,000 abeka ho no ni calculate no 4 years no no na ya no mo friend S Gracia no okay then omo ahia say sabre no omo so start age from 40,000 so ho net no and omo ye nti omo ye ya pe NPP for the abeto and the Mahama was wo ye government na munhwe sika puduo a watwa de ato ho no wonim Mahama ebaye or increase executive salary Dada no the President Akufo Addo ye a woje 2 months a wo ko no eno ana eda ho Mahama be increase salary a ebe ye 2028 the time no e kwa wie no was setting up committee no mo ayeyi now the neji asa 2.7 no e buy President Akufo Addo time can say the staff political appointees are no more office of the president. Womo salary difference as gradually shade ne kai ka ho nyina omo yes our budget ni nyina. Number 2, who say President Baye or collapse Minister of National Security. It is said national security, BNI, defense, intelligence, ne ya can say RD research department in the Adinano or Muba under office of the president because omu ministry no ya collapse no. Okay. Minister of Information once ya collapse no. Ethiopia Information Service Department GBC and omo muka hu nyina no esese omo so eba under office of the president. It is some microphone about 1,200 workers. Omo nyina under president. Omo nyina ababa beka president hu. Eti omo salaries na eka budget no be call Ministry of National Security no wahwe can say BNI National Security ne omo muka ka hu no. Say aba office of the president. Minister of Information omo budget anke be call omo be hwe GBC for omo be hwe information service for ni de ka hu nyina no aba ya can say office of the president eno and the masadi way den buy now ebra minister responsible for government communication ene yenua abuginapo ekokohia wo Joy News TV so no mwaka afi wo yi ho biemu ba kon ekire no se abu neti hey no ye minister no say MP ya twa ni top up ama no mumisa no abuginapo me na me ka cho afi na no dwum free ho MPP ni bia ntimi ma me kan sa asem we biem.
So it is good sir always you know so many be bas anam response beba
I say you quick what are you me say Senyankopa ma yenkwa yetiasi no jandam will survive in this country. I'm telling you
na jandam for no more that system no.
Hey, omu ho papa
headmaster
na I'm saying what to kwai to na kojo poku ko katakata na nikikai ye kum jandam no ho
at that day
immediately ye kum
so we send the details in man
ye kum jandam no ho no ma you see look you see this country
to the odi bibia fa wa emfa
ngose mumma yemfa nokre emu man no be say Ghana for decide so mu change NDC a enye MPP da United Party ene beba me na me ka cho
o yideo
anything na no yesi e neutral ade na white
fantastic
as you see about president abaso e be bot abaso as you see e ka dadi mu aye be ka nanim what you say
okay
Sammy look the whole world we have you can say indicators the assess economy ada na Ghana mo pese yes society ukọ US ni esi US economy okay a nyoma ehwa ye hwe sa inflation o mu GDP interest rate ni de kai ka ho the same thing and ye hwe wa ha say Ghana de ne de mo se mo njintum na inflation about 3% adenti na nyoma ekosoro uhu obi a oye professor na oti TV so kasa because of politics inti no kasa ti sese bio obi Afenyo ogina class 1 aden when the kasa yes inflation eba for mo ayentu nuamam when the kasa
no see o baby
me atia ni say for way ye turn no 100 cedis and inflation MPP ta na ye 54 it is a wo kwa akoto ni ye 2 phone no mu a ye 54%. It is a 100 cedis a wo be ko na ye 154 cedis so am dey no na ye 154 cedis now eswatia manaba 3.something%. It is about the 2 phone no mu a 3% and the ba ka hu it is a 100 cedis a yamfa ni say e bia 3 cedis bi and the ba den e ba anase 30 cedis no anya 30 cedis 3 cedis and the ba ka hu amache say ya tono e bia 103 cedis enti wo ka say ana inflation abafom ana de maboa ye de ni de kai ka ho a I don't get it at all eti sadio no ese se omuhu say this time ye makwan emu bia ntum futuro emfangu yani eti sasem na omo ka say president by na mammo na ye ketwa can say Nkrofo do mubu mani ye ketwa na so budget na akosoro no enye no kre Akufo Addo appointees ani aye enti next budget no ombe no office of the president no unhu sa government machinery ani ye ka government machinery nsusu a hwe ace commissions commission ani other agencies are under office of the president o e na man for fee say staffers in a group no omo sika do no that is not true. What you say? We are staff I miss our deputy minister
Agyarko been in government before, so you know
that's
what
right.
Talking about
that. You know ba obi anko gyina ba bia na say na ya tu nkrofa ayesa omo mundim eje so mundim but omo ye propaganda just to provoke other workers.
But didn't nebema MPP before be who say as omunim nyansase na obi a organ ha ba bia omode o man no kodu ye any baby a ye wo sesi me meto iron rods meto cement yeah in 2024 December 2024 na meto iron rods 1 ton 9,600 then meto 7,000 na meto cement 125 Ghana cedis then meto no 95 Ghana cedis obeka kire me say 2024 na me meto no iron rods 1 ton for 9,600 better than na ye 2026 a meto no 7,000
better no mo nkasa nso Adame boa omo se omo tab na ye better no musu and na omo se enye no they are happy. Every be na be example bi look wo ko amonani akwakofa niama wo hia $10,000 di akọ under MPP na wo hia Ghana sika no 1.7 billion ba men ka ne sa na manfo ntiase wo ka Ghana cedis ne ana be
ene ya ka 100,000 1 billion.
First, no. Under MPP. Say, who pay $10,000. You need 1.7 billion. Now they are $10,000. And now you do who say, and they, me check my bank. Yeah, oh, 11 cities. So, at the end of the same 10,000, we have 1.1 billion. And what you must save 600 million. 600 million. What you want to say? You see, basic chromas yankanograph. Look, Sagana 40 years, no who say, oh, Babe pay to me, and I say, would detra, young Twabama. Maybe Musu can say, who will say at Enema echo from dollar and echo from Marcella, Oko market now, Koto, and Nema, maybe you are, and was a tissue, and as you Timamufono, and a sukra. And I know yet a buying and a tissue. A young Ghana for now, yes, what you say? Yeah, I bind the and say, Oben make sure say. O per dollar will be nebi. O ma dollar no engine sem. And near new chroma 2024 pound. Na say then 24 cities. And then look at say 14 cities or 15 cities. Eti dia sem na obeka dia convince me. What you say?
Hopeson.
Dia sem na obeka e dia convince me. 2024 1 pound e 24 cities. Obi a say obeya you know me challenge ye be pulu dia kire no. And then we do say 1 pound and 15 cities. So how can you tell me say 24 cities in a better say and now 15 cities? So no. Just one more can say London. This is Okobayi. And now kita be say £1,000 a year. I don't know about sir. Can say oh come better than it. Na ye beto e dia akọ dia ye penede no.
Going the boy.
Yeah, penny, no. I told you who now pounds were broached over dinner. Yes, you have a city. So, that is how you know, Pesa, yet if you are ban saying, Kuye, under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the leadership, no, saying, and also, achievement, you know, a year better, like, or year Juma, and now 1 year Juma, or share a year 15 months, yeah, when you're a work, may a member of United Party, not just a member, a national officer of United Party, but as somewhere in Ukraine. What you say? There was a time here meeting, you know, or be raising issue. You know, I say, na Oko Kase, economy, ya, and the Umbeda Numanya. Other penny back, Kase, na someone who carry a whole purchasing. Ye measure economy, send ye measure no. Indicators say the measure no. How do you say Uber defend say enye? You should tell us what is the benchmark. say you want inflation of 3%. Now Becca say, oh, inflation of 3% no enye. Interest rate above to be say 11%. We say I don't know enye. Just say we share the exchange rate. Baby ababedru 10 cedis plus and 11 cedis. We Becca say enye. On what a year now the baby to sad no. So on the no. Enti on the day the betima can say kwandisunu omabo modi a year pa. Na a year can ye dia ho and the kasa in the sense say it's unfortunate say manfa me great transformational plan no majanika no mu nanka ma bie baby akenkan akiro no hu se ne esitie ebre bia na meka se Annan Kojo Kyeremanteng wanye pese menkuminya wonu ankasa hyehye ne nuama se kagana foma no tumi a kwan wesu na mefa mebu man no ana oputu no together and your friend great transformational plan. Ebra President Mahamadu Bawumia to abanu wie ya wo ne ye no. Anu ofre nyina anu ase yenko. Ne yenko congratulate aye President Mahamadu. Ye ko hodum. Ye wie ye no. Anu oyi GTP no. Anu ase President. Madwene anka mde bebu o mani nie. Na Ghana for ama metumi no. Enti je na de obetimi wo mu bia no. Fa ye adwuma. President je na o kasem kakra me yesre. Was it ye dear ya follow one farm magra and give you so that you know. It is what the white junior quack money panel say, oh, you say, oh, you su, ya de aquacomano. That's a war, yeah, young fan command could go more about Bontengra. Wouldn't say the choir gra MPP for say, hey, I like a appointment, and then the guy go home. And yes, what the natural and the coco boy say, or mine no a bit tumpong. It is a man betum pon na say or no deny na kwako aboa na me meti hai na me hu nyina ne say ekoyi no na ma betra say me so me person me contest elections intino na ma be ka che Ghana for say enkoyi already I will not do that.
Very well, may say
nobody will do that in the United Party. Etina who all communicators of United what they study ye say ye be ka no kra kwakosi ade ye tro de ye support da
ti Kennedy Obama ho ana.
What's it?
Kennedy Obama ho.
So on kazi wajai. One kazi wajai MPP o. Yeah, one kai. So kazi wajai dia ani ene no bekasa. One kai. Wasi wotim na omu de omu mbu.
What is more dia to bia no?
In some na no hye.
Dia na beka eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong or this statement na say enkomojotwe ne baba.
You see, emre bia na meka say MPP for no. Sabi o.
O metu suspend no.
O mon kwala no bebre na agimi.
Anu hye o.
Ye nto sabi o. Me bana be hwe mani.
Frani ntuma kakra.
Me nto sabi o. Okay, o de sabi. What you say?
Ado bana oda su MPP.
What saying?
And when you say
what? O go head MPP.
Thank you.
Ah. Dabi.
You pina.
I
like that.
Yeah. Womu nimu say. Womu ano mo pe to me.
Hopeson Adorye.
Kennedy Agyapong. What this 70 years?
When you're 70?
60 something.
60 years plus.
Edia bi no hwe. The only show wa brabum owo. Wa hwe ne masku awie. The asese wo ye wa ye. Ne ndwuma ekoso. Wani president obewu. Ah. Kwame despite na nwe. Oye okay. On per president no dey be Kwame despite anameboa.
Exactly.
Odo na de, wono se mi wo politics no mu. Enka me so me pese me yeden meboa. Sa kwanya sa ama na mosque system no. Na modi ayi na afri mu a. Mogabi, asem a Kennedy ka no. Enka se MPP fo ni nyina ebunkoto je ka se owura ye pa ochew. Wonso makwa kwatwanum. Ade ama no. Wontie on
Kennedy.
Wontie ni nyum no.
Ababonten.
Eh ani odi krom.
Sa fe no maba.
Hey.
You say you krom.
What kasa? Another 3 days and 4 days. I'm saying another 3 days or 4 days.
Mama na nyom.
Thursday or Friday. Ye ka nyum mama no.
So onko.
Hey. Mento ba go nyiro.
Na get ni wa. Kajagum. Mo anyum.
Me say anyum no. Hey. And I'm saying, hey, now MPP for the
production to some of them, more than maybe a mama masunti.
How do you do that?
Against Kennedy Agyapong.
Men are make a show. Therefore, what about this time? One second, no. Hey!
Yeah,
you see, Lord, Mugabe, I got the opportunity to get closer
to Kennedy,
to powerhouse in the MPP.
Oh yes.
What you say?
Whatever
we did, some of the national executives no money.
Sana party never power.
No money. You see, never be on my work. Now I don't want to do that. Now Komuba who say Kennedy free MPP money.
SMBC.
Omuba brankasa.
To 2028 the nyado etimi awo.
Say somewhere me what your pa wo share
campaign.
Wo share gabby ode bisa no. What you say? No, this omunche ni omunche no.
Okay.
Omo say we monko yemfa mo ho ene. O say chemenza bonsu. Oh, Allah kono koya no ba yenhwe namba no na dofo mo anko abonti anko to aba no.
Edoso.
Na dim get that dofo. Maybe dey woni dofo mo do me.
No.
Kennedy be kwa wonko. Hey!
O de don be ko.
Me sabe obi be say I don't wish them to win power in this country anymore.
MPP.
Etinu omunko so ano mu ya.
Sasema o kan hu.
Na dey interest me wish you.
So be
opposition. And I say me wish MPP say MPP winning power. Maka sem na to ho say the next 4 elections omube lusu de nyina.
Next 4 elections
omube lusu 4 consecutive elections. Omo lusu baako. Akatre ombe lusu ato aso. Emusa na party na gu. Me na make a show. Look, omo lusu 2028 party na gu. No businessman in this country awarding a 1 city best support to MPP bio.
Dia na momo do baby omodo no. Kennedy so to me nyina the same campaign.
No credit say Akufo Addo go party no. Simple. Eno ano no.
Wagu party say na san woko.
Wagunu. Because when you say nipa na wo kwako eje so omuni mo. They know. During 2024 elections, mema ladies bia omuwa brochire efre MPP emrantie no be 4. Ala me hu sa so mo adwene ni amufre me modin but we are behind the scenes me bofo di nyina di akiro.
Fantastic.
So daddy di pedi no koi no after elections no omo ba be omo prime minister na nipa mo pese atuma ni ya wini o ba say ye nyina gina la no mu on free o ko we no lo super ye ba 4 people, 4 different people will be adwene awo no
in MPP.
Omunim say Bawumia got 10 times or maybe 10 times. They know. They know. And you know, yempe obi a obe wene no obe ko 8 years. Omu fi say be mark you one time. And when omu de no ko na say wa anya yi pa ni abo wa to nchen. Na fe omu de ni pa foforo eba. That is what they are doing. It's a fact.
The strategy Justin Kudiane na nabi mu any since mu party ne kura ni chan.
Who dey say no ni dey me nkonko body say we aye anasi we aye say. But what I'm saying is amanfo a wo mu di akire echiatia mu nyina no omo wo ayi omo tare Bawumia ho na we o che say Oma kwankra mu bi mfa ne nche no omu nyina wo omu motive no omu susu dim omu pe president edi around the
so they should forget about 2028 elections
na when they beto abama omu look Mugabe mabima on this analysis 2008 Akufo Addo eluso elections the olusia no the whole Ghana eshi obi me challenge me say asema bk meboa eshi majority of people especially the business community. They say people were weeping. Akufo Addo lose abano. And no, Anna, yes, that is a demonstration, a fact demonstration. What the one bank manager Biafro was a Mumma major support to Koyemu demonstration. What you are now for Frabus, your kind, Makola, and Deka, or more disika brains and final demonstration because a she won't say a Akufo Addo a Lusuye. Fast forward 2012. Then him said the way a she Ghana for no Akufo Addo win it 2012 hands down. Yet to have a question. Who lose here? Me say, bra, you can't say, Afenyo, declare results no 2012 no. Na Makofi say me Kwaku Annan. Aba. Me say, what board results no yen me Trump as you say.
What the?
2 days, na me be sorry. 2 days. Na me be sorry.
Say kutu.
What you say?
Say bam.
Na no cry no. Akufo Addo antima nwenyu. For no one lose 2008. Na manfo su. A manfo su sika de brains ye mfanya aduma.
Akwesiaga.
Wanti man wene 2012. Na Bawumia onu lose a manfo bo sese wa lusu.
Bawumia no lusu ye no.
Ah, na manfo ni jeji wo krom yi. A manfo ni jeji wo krom yi. We dey na MPP gra manfo ni jeji ye. Na wuti hono mo say, chese 2028. How?
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.